What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. If you're new here, I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me. That's me, but only nice things, please. So I sort of lied to you by accident last week. I told you that this week I would be doing part 2 of my eyebrow series. But then I realized it's Valentine's this weekend and my pink hairs are fading. So we're gonna do the eyebrow video next week and we're gonna touch up my pink hair instead. So today we're going to try out this Ion Color Brillance Brights semi-permanent hair color, and it is called Flamingo. So I don't know if y'all can see this because it's so bright. So last time when I applied my fashion color to my hair post fresh highlights, I used like a bowling brush, and so I think what I'm gonna do to change it up a little bit for you this time is I'm just gonna try to like apply it like from the tube to the hands to the hair. Obviously with gloves on because we don't want to stain our hands. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. My hair is a little dirty because she hasn't been washed in a couple days, so hopefully this works well and my couple days of dirty hair doesn't affect it, but we shall see. This is the first time I've used this, so it's kind of like a trial run with me too. Last time I used the Wella Color Charm pigments. I used like the strawberry and I liked it a lot. It was a little bit more red than I anticipated, but I did like it. And it faded fairly quickly with shampooing, but I only shampoo about once a week, and then I do tend to use like a pretty cleansing shampoo since I don't shampoo that frequently. And I'm also totally not a person, like I'm not upset about my fashion color fading. I think it kind of makes it fun and it changes up the color from day to day. So that's not something that upsets me when it happens. So without further ado, let's get started applying this Ion Color Brillance Brights Flamingo hair color to my faded pink so that I will be ready for Valentine's Day. All right, so just a couple things to note. This color goes on your hair dry, and the instructions say to let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes. And as I did with my with the other one, with the Color Charm by Wella, their fashion color, I'll probably let it sit a full hour because generally speaking, the longer you let your fashion color sit, the better. But you know, safety first. If you're not a professional or you're worried, maybe do a strand test because, you know, don't want anything crazy happening. All right, y'all, here is the Post Flamingo hair color. I think it turned out pretty good, especially for applying it with my hands. My review on applying it that way was that it was easy at first, but as I got towards like the bottom of the bottle and my hands were all like slippery, it was harder to like squish the color out. So maybe if you want to do this, go ahead and like put it in a bowl and then scoop it out of the bowl with your gloved hands. Might be an easier way to go about that. But I think the color turned out pretty good, especially for doing like, you know, a super fast application. There's maybe like a spot up here where it didn't take as well, which is definitely like a user error. I told y'all my hair was dirty, and also applying it with your hands like that, you're not going to be as thorough as using a bowl and brush. But overall, I'm super happy with it. It took me like no time at all, and my pink hairs are nice and refreshed. I think the Wella Color Charm Paint fashion color smells better than this Ion Color Brillance. This doesn't necessarily smell bad, but the other one smelled like really good. So that is my review on that. I hope this helped you on your journey to fashion color or to help make some decisions. I think it's really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that for me. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the Real Ray. Bye.